So there's a few things I will miss about Montana. Some good friends, no sales tax, and this stretch of the I-15. Interstate 15's been one of the nicest roads I've been on. Pretty quiet. You can see not a lot of traffic, and this is Sunday. But during the week it was like this as well. Not a lot of traffic, nice shoulders, pretty clean, nice straight, roads. Not really, much steep climbs, although it's been climbing. I've been climbing pretty much the entire time on the 15, but it's a gentle type of climb. I'm about 5,500 feet right now as far as the elevation. But this is one of the things that I'll miss, is a road like this, or an interstate like this. It's just it's not the real busy interstate like I-10 or I-8 or I-5 or this is just kind of a peaceful ride. Let's see, we've got about 40. I'm trying to see the mile marker up here. About 43 miles to Idaho. Hopefully when we get to Idaho, the I-15 will be just the same as it is here. And we'll be on the I-15 south all the way I think through through Utah, actually, until we get to Arizona. So the interstate, or I-15, no sales tax, which is really nice, and some friends. That's really kind of what I'm going to miss about Montana. Okay, one other thing that I'll miss in Montana, the free campsites. A lot of the fishing holes or fishing spots let you camp overnight for free, as well as some of these like the reservoirs, I don't know what agency it is, something reclamation. They let you camp overnight, or they let you camp for free up to 14 days actually. So campsites are another thing that are really nice, the free ones where you don't have to pay. They have water, restroom. Typically they'll have a fire pit and a picnic table as well, and sometimes even shade areas and trees and things like that. So that's another thing that I'll miss here in Montana. We'll see if any of the other states like Idaho or Utah have the same thing.